This segment is going to be on the benefits of burning incense. Incense has been around for thousands of years, and you have different civilizations that used incense burning for various things, whether it's in religious ceremonies, whether it was in meditation, whether it's in relaxation, or just general aroma therapy. Now, when you burn incense, you burn it for religion. Let's take that first segment. A lot of things that are burnt is your frankincense, your myrrh, and on a religious aspect, they say it keeps away the spirits or the foul odors that things come about. They burn frankincense and myrrh. For recreation, you have your general incense of floral. They make different types of flowers that they use in the incense, and they have aromatherapy where they use the same fragrance, whether it be from animal or whether it be from plant, but they use it for the meditation, the calmness, and within oneself. On behalf of Expert Village, this is Incense Burning.